Class attributes are shared across all instances of a class, while instance attributes are unique to each object. Understanding this distinction is crucial for managing state and behavior in Python programs. Efficient use of class and instance attributes enhances code maintainability and performance, a key skill for intermediate developers. Object-oriented programming in Python organizes code using classes and objects, enabling efficient code management. Classes define the blueprint for objects, encapsulating data and behavior. Mastering these principles is crucial for intermediate developers as it enhances code reusability, maintainability, and scalability, forming the backbone of advanced Python programming. A class in Python acts as a blueprint for creating objects, encapsulating data and behavior. It defines object structure and capabilities, establishing shared attributes and methods. This enables code reusability through inheritance, similar to an architectural plan. For example, the dog class defines species, name, and age, with a method to make the dog bark. An instance is a specific object created from a class blueprint, like myDog equals dog open parenthesis, buddy close parenthesis, comma 3. It occupies memory with unique attribute values while sharing class-defined methods. Each instance maintains its own distinct data state, ensuring individuality within the shared structure and behavior patterns of its class. A class is a blueprint, like dog, defining a type. An object is any created entity from a class, as everything in Python is an object. An instance, such as Fido equals dog, open quote Fido close quote 5, is a specific realization of a class, emphasizing its relationship to that class. Instances are always instances of something. In Python, a class like house serves as a blueprint, defining shared attributes such as foundation. Each instance, like house 1, house 2, and house 3, represents a unique realization with specific attributes like address and rooms. While they share the foundation, their individual data distinguishes them, illustrating the concept of instances in object-oriented programming. Attributes in Python classes are essential for defining object characteristics. Class attributes are shared across all instances, while instance attributes are unique to each object. Understanding this distinction is key for effective data management in object-oriented programming, ensuring that shared and unique data are appropriately handled. Attributes in Python classes are crucial for defining object characteristics. Data attributes store state information, while method attributes define behavior. Attributes can be public or private, with Python relying on naming conventions for access control. This encapsulation supports robust object-oriented programming by managing data and behavior effectively. Class attributes are defined within the class body and shared across all instances. They are stored once in memory, ensuring efficiency. Accessible via the class name or any instance, changes to class attributes affect all instances unless overridden. For example, in the bank account class, the interest rate is shared by all accounts, demonstrating this concept effectively. Class attributes like company name and bonus multiplier are shared across all employee instances, reducing memory usage. Modifying bonus multiplier affects all employees' bonuses, demonstrating efficient data management. With each new employee instance, employee count increases, showcasing how class attributes track shared data efficiently.